What's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Red coming to you live from downrange, and this has progressed to the point to where some things have happened downrange, and we want to send our prayers and our thoughts to all those Marines and the corpsmen that were killed in action while taking care of the airport in Afghanistan. So please say a prayer for all those amazing warriors over there, and I truly hope that sucker punch doesn't go unnoticed. So no politics whatsoever, just keep those Marines and that sailor in your thoughts and your prayers, please. And everybody else that's here downrange, everybody is in our thoughts and prayers, and we're gonna work together as a team to get through this. So without further delay, I want to go over some things that Mr. Mike McCourt, Blackstone Life, has sent me. He's been an amazing friend of mine, huge supporter of everything. He's been to my house. He's helped me put up my gazebo. They sent me this amazing shirt, the Blackstone Life. I didn't choose the Blackstone Life. It chose me, and definitely it's something that I've fallen in love with, as I do have a 32-inch griddle back home stateside, and then I just received in the mail from Mike, from himself, this 17-inch eSeries griddle right here, guys. I'm gonna do an unboxing today to show you what's inside, and tomorrow for the troops I'm gonna be making some smash burgers. That'll be the very first cook on this here. Let's go ahead, get this cut open, and see how everything is packaged. Tomorrow we do the cook. I hope you like this sort of thing. If you do, follow old Red on this journey of love, family, passion, and barbecue. I would truly appreciate if you subscribe and tell your friends about what we do, how we do it. Veteran-owned organization that want to make a difference in this world by impacting the way people eat, socialize, and make memories. So let's get at it, y'all. Let's cut her open. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around so you guys can see what it looks like as I open it up. Instructions. This is actually fairly lightweight, guys. This has got a good feeling to it. You can move it around, very mobile. The eSeries by Blackstone. This will be your on-off button here. The LED lights will show up here for the temperature. Here's your coils. And what's nice about the coils is with anything that's got any kind of heat distribution like this, you're gonna have pretty even heat, but you also will find out you'll naturally have some sort of zones, most likely. I'm looking forward to testing that out, and I will let you know. So here I see that you've got some handles which will fit right into here. So let's go ahead and put those in. And everything sits. It's very sturdy, very sturdy. And these stickers come off super easy. Look at that, huh? Finally. People do things right. Ooh, this is nice. Ceramic, it's beautiful. No need to season. This is ready to rock and roll. Here on the back, there's some hinges. Simply align the hinges and close. And that's it. Lift that up. Let's see what's in the this box right here. We've got the power strip and the grease trap. Excellent. So here, this will just fit right underneath the lip. You can see there's a V back here. I'll show you in just a minute. And also this will plug right into the very back here. Let me turn this around for you. See here? This comes in right here, right in the back, and plugs in. Nice and sturdy. See, here's that little V notched out for the grease to drip in there.